Hello everyone, this is my deck garden and it's towards the end of the season. It's the third week of August, and so I'm getting ready to harvest this plant, or this pot with 4 plants. This is a mini bell peppers. This is the first time I've ever done it or ever grown them, and they're turning out great. I just taste tested one. They're a little bit sweet. They're this purplish color. They can be red right here, orange and green. I'm not gonna pick these. I doubt they're gonna get any bigger. It is towards the end of the season, so I will leave it in hopes that they get bigger. But all the other ones I will be harvesting and gonna use some for a dish tonight, and the rest I am gonna dehydrate. I harvested a decent amount. There's still about 10 left on the plants that were kind of small. I'll just wait and hope they get bigger. If the plants start to die, then I'll harvest them. But we still have a couple more weeks, so hopefully it'll be warm enough that they can get bigger. But like I said, I'm in Missouri and this is pretty much the end of the growing season. So I'm gonna rinse these off and get these cleaned up and try to think of something to do with dinner with them. I am cleaning the mini peppers. I'm cutting off the top and hollowing them out. For being so small, they actually have a lot of seeds. So I think I'm gonna make stuffed mini bell peppers. So just the bigger ones, I don't know how many, just picking through for the bigger ones. And then the littler ones, I'm just gonna cut into chunks and dehydrate them. But let's see if I have enough to make like a pan of stuffed bell peppers, kind of like appetizers, because they're so small. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try. Just another note, this is oops, as I drop it, this is a strawberry corer. You know, it's so you can hold the top of the strawberries, but honestly, I use it for so much more. If you have one of these at your local store, pick it up. It's so handy. It's helping like clean out these, and I also use it to core tomatoes, not just strawberries. Such a handy little tool. I have just enough of the bigger ones for this dish. Still tons of small ones left, but I think Robert says this is good for what he's gonna try. What we're just gonna do, classic.
They're gonna be stuffed peppers.
Stuffed green peppers. Stuffed mini peppers. This was an experiment. Hopefully it works. All right, this is what they look like stuffed. Robert just did the classic hamburger rice onion mixture that his mom used, but there's still a lot of hamburger meat left over. So I think we're gonna do another layer. These are the mini bell peppers we didn't use. I just cleaned them and quartered them, and I'm gonna put them in my dehydrator. Off the top of my head, I have to look through my notes. I think it's gonna take like 12 hours, but yeah, dehydrating green peppers. Well, colorful peppers. They're so pretty. It tastes delicious. There's definitely way more meat mixture, but that's okay. We just improvised and put it around the peppers too. But if you love stuffed green peppers, this is essentially what it is, and it is very delicious. Awesome job, Robert. Thank you. The mini bell peppers are dehydrated. It took about 12 hours. I will have to say they are very beautiful. So colorful, and there's a little space left. So I'm gonna dehydrate more when the next week when the peppers get a little bigger, and then I'll just add to this jar.